If there was a shop out there thinking of moving into the digital inspection realm, what would your suggestions to them be?
I just think, in today's world and doing business in today's climate, to have a digital inspection seems like a no-brainer to me. The way we communicate, where a lot of customers even prefer texting over picking up the phone or even a quick email, why wouldn't you send them a digital inspection? I think it's invaluable to have that catalog of information on every vehicle that comes in, where you have the pictures of the work that you've done. And every once in a while there is a dispute from a customer, where having that inspection has made all the difference in the world, being able to go back and look at the work that we've done with the pictures of the original, how the car came in, pictures of the dash to show what was going on with the car. So it's not only a huge service for the customer, but it gives the customer a huge sense of confidence that what we're doing is to their best interest and keeping them safe on the road. But it also, in some respects, protects us as a franchisee, because we have documentation of the work that we've done, and it's easy to obtain. It's easy to, so as far as pulling it back up again, you're not spending days looking for something that happened a year ago. Mm-hmm. Exactly.
Because now you're taking pictures of the vehicle while it goes through its life, and you can show the customers, hey, your brakes are great today. They're getting there, and you're going to need them next time. Have you found that gets over a lot of the obstacles that customers are purchasing the brakes when it's time?
Absolutely, because anytime there's a question of wear or just timing as far as drivability of anything, you can always just pull up a digital inspection so much quicker from bolt-on than rummaging through a box of papers to try and that's never going to show you the full history when you're looking at just a paper inspection. Having that picture and that visual has answered a lot of questions for us, and it's also when there has been maybe a misunderstanding with a customer where they assumed one thing and it was really another, bringing up that prior inspection makes it that much more clear. As far as the inspections are concerned and what it's done for our business, our customers love that we are transparent with our inspections through a digital communication that they can keep on their phone that has pictures of their vehicle and what we were looking at, what we're doing to their car. So it really creates a partnership between us and the customer.
You have a review manager. What has that done for you and your shops?
Well, as everybody knows, people are really shopping online first. And when they're trying to decide where they're going to take their car, they're looking at those reviews that are posted. And so having positive reviews, and you have to work for those reviews, obviously, but being able to harness that and collect those reviews and have those out there. We've had numerous times where customers come in and said, I've seen your reviews and that's why I chose to come in. So it's essential in today's market.